Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage online access with Discover Card, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage your online access with your Discover Card, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Discover Card official website. Look for the sign in option located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Sign In. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. If you do not have an account, select the Register option to create one. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option in the menu. Click on Account Settings to access your account management options. From here, you can manage your personal information, including your email address and phone number. To adjust online access, find the Manage Online Access section. In this section, you can update passwords or enable two-factor authentication for added security. If you need to grant access to another person, follow the prompts to add an authorized user. Fill in the required information for the authorized user, including their name and details. Review the permissions you wish to grant them and confirm the changes. To view your account activity or set transaction alerts, navigate back to the main account dashboard. Adjust your notification preferences according to your needs. Finally, log out securely by clicking on the Sign Out button at the top right corner of the page. You have now successfully managed your online access with your Discover Card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.